Hey guys, today illustrating how to use the WhatsApp on multiple devices. So if you guys want to go ahead and launch and log in your WhatsApp application or your WhatsApp account onto multiple devices, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and basically tap on the WhatsApp application. And I want you to go ahead and tap on your settings option right here. And let's tap on length devices. As you see, you could actually go ahead and use tap on web desktop or other devices just by using this option. So tap on link a device. And what I want you guys to do next is to go ahead and scan the QR code on your secondary device that you're trying to log on to. Now, whether that may be a PC, another iPhone, an Android phone, iPad, or a tablet, all we need to do is to download the WhatsApp application on there. And then, of course, it's going to show you a QR code so that you could link both devices with just one single account using this feature. To do so, go and scan it, and we're good to go. That is all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.